Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to show or hide extensions for known file types in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the Start menu and click on File Explorer, or press the Windows key +E to open File Explorer. Now, click on the three dots icon, then select Options. Alternatively, you can go to the search bar, type in File Explorer Options, and open it. Then, navigate to the View tab, and find the Hide Extensions for Known File Types option. Check or uncheck Hide Extensions for Known File Types, depending on your preference. When the option is checked, it will hide extensions for known file types, like .txt. When it's unchecked, it will show them. Lastly, click on Apply, and then OK. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.